Fermentation is hot. We told you a few years ago in our trend forecast that it was coming, and now it's here. Not only in the foods themselves, but in food production. Food companies, to answer the growing demand for natural ingredients that are hard to come by, are increasingly using the fermentation process. A report in Fortune magazine takes a look at how, instead of sourcing these ingredients from nature, food scientists are creating them through this industrial method that until now most of us thought about just in terms of brewing beer. Fortune describes how it works. Scientists identify the desired genes in a plant or animal and insert them into a host such as yeast. The yeast is fed sugars and nutrients to stimulate fermentation. Then the yeast and its genes are filtered off and the desired ingredient is purified out of the remaining broth. Neil Goldsmith, CEO and co-founder of Evolva, which provides companies with the yeast for fermentation or runs the process for them, told the magazine that fermentation offers a way to make ingredients without being reliant on a challenged supply chain. One example, Perfect Day, the startup non-animal milk company that we introduced to you back in our 2017 Trends forecast in December. They used fermentation to make their cow's milk without cows. They 3D print the DNA sequence of a cow and insert it into a specific location of yeast, which they have aptly named Buttercup. The yeast ferments sugar to make real milk proteins, casein and whey, which are then combined with plant-based fats and nutrients to get milk that is lactose-free. Impossible Foods is yet another company using the same process for their cow-free meat. And there are other companies developing more commonplace products through fermentation like Nature Research and Cargill who are tackling the sugar problem. Fermentation might be a huge solution that's not GMO, not artificial, and not scary.